How to fix can't add or remove Gmail account on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video. And on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't add or remove Gmail account on your Android device. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, make sure that your Gmail application in your Android device is updated to its latest version. In order to update, open up the Play Store in your device. And on the search bar, type in Gmail. And if your app is missing out any updates, there you will find update option. So simply tap on update and your application will get updated. And after that, open up the Gmail application and try to add or remove your Gmail address. If you are still unable to do that, now what you have to do is open up the settings in your mobile device. After that, navigate to apps. Again, tap on see all apps. Now here, look for the Gmail. And once you find it, tap on Gmail. From here, scroll down a bit and then tap on storage and cache. Here, tap on clear cache. That will remove all the junk file of Gmails from your Android device and may help you to solve the problem. Clearing cache on your Android device will help to solve some of the problems in your application. After you do that, again go back once and then tap on Force Stop and then tap on OK. After that, go back and open up your Gmail on your device and then try to add or remove Gmail account. If still not, then simply uninstall your Gmail application and install it back and then log into your account, and then that will help you out to solve the problem. So that's how you can fix can't add or remove Gmail account in your Android device. And that's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit the notification bell icon, and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching. I will see you on next video.